Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove ad from Vita Mahjong gameplay. Are ads interrupting your Vita Mahjong gameplay? In this video, I will show you step by step how to remove ads from Vita Mahjong using the easiest and most effective method. First, unlock your phone and open the Vita Mahjong app. Wait for the menu to fully load. Most ads appear between level or when starting a new game, so removing them makes gameplay much smoother. On the home screen, look for the button that says remove ad, no ad, VIP, premium. These are usually located in the top corner of the screen in the setting menu or often after an ad finishes playing. Tap on that option. You will now see a small one-time purchase option. To remove ad, tap confirm purchase and use your Face ID, Touch ID or Apple ID password. Once completed, ad will remove permanently. This is only guaranteed way to remove ads completely from Vita Mahjong. If you already paid but still see the ad, open Vita Mahjong, go to setting, tap repurchase. Just refresh your purchase and remove ad again. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.